Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant better. To start, focus on core mechanics. Understanding your agent's role and abilities is crucial for team success. Practice pre-aiming common angles to secure early eliminations. Master movement techniques like strafing and counter-strafing to maintain accuracy while moving. A consistent warm-up routine, perhaps 15 minutes of deathmatch, will prepare you for competitive play. Next, let's refine your aiming. Always keep your crosshair at head level, anticipating enemy positions for quick, one-shot eliminations. Dedicate time in the practice range to improve flick shots and tracking moving targets. Understanding and mastering spray control patterns for weapons like the Vandal and Phantom is vital. Experiment with mouse sensitivity settings to discover what feels most natural and precise for you. Now, let's talk about smart utility usage and map awareness. Learn effective ability lineups for both attacking and defending sites, maximizing their impact. Clear and concise communication of enemy positions and utility usage is paramount for team coordination. Constantly check your minimap for enemy pings and team rotations to anticipate plays. Finally, master economy management to ensure you always have the best weapons and armor for each round. Finally, focus on strategic team play and adaptability. Coordinate pushes and executes with your teammates to overwhelm defenders and secure sites. Be flexible and adapt your playstyle based on enemy tendencies and your team's composition. Practice holding angles and trading kills effectively with allies to maximize your impact. Always maintain a positive mindset and learn valuable lessons from every match, whether you win or lose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.